Hello, guys, and welcome. Today we will be unboxing and assembling together the 48-inch rebounder from Kensone, which I received to try, and I'm very excited to do so because rebounding is a great workout for all fitness levels. Whether you're looking to burn fat or improve endurance or strengthen your core or just having fun while exercising, it's an easy way to boost your health without the high impact stress on your body. And now let's start with the assembling. For safety reasons, the manual says that the trampoline bases should be unfolded with two strong persons. But I will try it myself and we'll see if it works. Knee myself on the one side. We'll try to unfold it. Done. So you don't need two strong person, one is enough, but make sure you keep your knees on the one side while you lie down completely until it clicks. So now it's time to screw all the leg tubes. If you look inside, you see which side is the right one, as this one has the lines, and this side we will. It's pretty easy. Make sure you fasten them until they completely stop rotating. Now we will do it with the other 7. We have all the leg tubes on. I fast-paced that for you to not bore you, but it didn't took me more than 1.5 minutes, so it was fast. Now we have this anti-slip cups, which we will fix on each of the leg. So we are ready here. Now we just install the safety pin before we flip the trampoline over, which ensures the safety of the trampoline to not fold back if you decide not to use the U-bar. So we are ready and we can flip the trampoline to the right side up. Let's see how that goes. Awesome. Those are 2 bungee cords for replacement, so you just put them somewhere safe aside. So the last step is to install the U-bar, and I will put you a detailed picture where you can see where which bar goes, as they are different. Make sure while you're fixing these bars, this hole is for the adjustable knob and it needs to point to the outside, otherwise it won't fit. Now we install these. You see the holes there are for the height adjustment. So when you're on the trampoline, your hands while holding the bar are in the 90-degree angle and you can adjust them in no time. I will now put it just on the first hole. And before you install the middle bar, make sure you don't make these tight. So you see, for changing the height, Then you just put the knob outside and choose a different hole. So we are assembled and it was done in about 10 minutes. It was easy, no problem at all, and I think everyone can make it. So now let me give you a short review. This trampoline is perfectly quiet, so that means it's apartment friendly and you're not going to annoy your neighbors. It is also easy to fold, so you can store it under the bed or in a wardrobe. The benefit cost ratio I would rate very positive, as the Kensone's trampoline belong to the lower budget category, and that makes it a perfect trampoline if you want to start with rebounding. Also, due to the technique using the bungee cords instead of the strings, the whole surface is very soft, which is making this rebounder low impact and friendly on the joints. I will link you this rebounder in the description under my video, together with the 10% discount code that I received for you. And there you will find also the smaller version, which is 40-inch. A great novelty is that Kensone, beside US and Canada, started to ship also in the Europe, except for UK and Switzerland. Sorry for that. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you in the next rebounding workout. Bye.